Where is the fuse box located in the 2008 to 2018 Tata Nano? And what do the fuses control? How can you identify the correct fuse for different electrical components? This guide provides a detailed fuse box diagram and location information to assist with troubleshooting. Fuse and relay box. Fuse box, EPS. The fuse and relay box protects electrical circuits by preventing overloads and short circuits. It houses fuses and relays that control various vehicle functions, including lights, wipers, and the ignition system. Easily accessible, it ensures efficient power distribution and safety. Fuse box, non-EPS. Battery-mounted fuse box. The battery-mounted fuse box EPS is directly attached to the battery for efficient power distribution. It protects essential electrical systems, including electric power steering, by preventing overloads and short circuits. Its compact design ensures quick access and easy maintenance. Battery-mounted fuse box details and non-EPS. Checking and replacing fuses. If any electrical unit in your car is not functioning, check the fuses first.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse, glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse, ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse, PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse, fuse conditions: blown fuse, A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions. Disconnect the battery. Wear protective gear. Use proper tools. Check for correct amperage. Avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.